Hello. This video will demonstrate the PrEP Trendlines, an interactive data tool that provides broad outcome data regarding post-secondary readiness and success. They combine into a single chart the long-term trajectory of high school graduates from their post-secondary intentions through the completion of a post-secondary degree or credential. These trendlines can be used as an entry point when working with districts. They highlight the fact that while Iowa does well in high school graduation, there remains work to do in the areas of fostering a post-secondary aspiration and intention, supporting students to pursue those intentions, and ensuring they are ready and prepared to meet post-secondary challenges and earn a credential. The PrEP Trendlines can be accessed at reports.educateiowa.gov/postsecondary readiness or through a simple online search for PrEP Trendlines. Let's take a closer look at the PrEP Trendlines. As you can see, users have the option of selecting a specific high school in the state of Iowa, or they can view the overall trendline data for the state of Iowa collectively. Here in the statewide view, users have the option of filtering by a variety of characteristics and factors. As you can see, intention, enrollment, persistence, and completion change based on the population you are searching. When you search for school PrEP trendlines, users will need to choose a specific high school that they would like to view. This will display the post-secondary intention, enrollment, persistence, and completion figures for graduates from that high school. Scrolling down, those same figures are displayed in a table format. There is not an option to filter school trendlines by separate groups as there is in the state trendlines. That is because many of the high schools have small graduating class sizes that cause the data in those groups to be redacted. If users would like to filter that information by group, then they would need to access that through the PrEP dashboards in EdInsight. EdInsight requires secure, user-authenticated access and will be discussed in a separate video in this series. Among high school graduates, you can see that over time, fewer students are indicating that their plan is to pursue a post-secondary education or training program. Statewide, this represents approximately 9,000 students annually who graduate from high school and do not articulate a plan to pursue either the military or a post-secondary education or workforce training program. Additionally, of those with a plan, even fewer are actually following through and pursuing those plans. Over 5,000 students annually do not pursue the plans they've set for themselves. One question that often surfaces is what data are not captured here. Military enlistments and on-the-job credentialing programs are not included in these reports, nor are they included in any of the post-secondary data sources currently provided by the Iowa Department of Education or AEA PrEP. Altogether, these categories are estimated to account for 1 to 4% of all Iowa high school graduates annually. In addition to these outcome trendlines, users are also able to view long-term trends in 2 readiness indicator areas, including Iowa's Post-Secondary Readiness Index and FAFSA completion. Selecting these from the drop-down allows these indicators to be displayed. These trendlines are meant to introduce the conversation to a region, district, or community. They can be used as entry points when working with schools using the accompanying resources, and can also be used when working with or presenting to a school board or other external stakeholder group.